Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the Philips SHE1505bk. So BK is basically black. Okay, so let's open it up. So this one has three set of earbuds, small, large and medium. You have a user manual. Okay, same thing. So since it's a single button remote, so you'll have a single press, double press and triple press function, which would be play, pause, answer call, or next track and previous track. So all in all, similar thing to all the other Philips ones. Okay, so let's take a look at the earphone. Let's look at the build quality. Again, no copper plating, just regular 3.5mm pin, and it's straight pin again, which I don't like, because when you put them on the phone and you put it in the pocket, so this will get bent like that, and this generally goes bad from here. That's why most of the earphones left side wow. Seriously? Okay, I don't know how I keep doing that. I keep doing the SOS call on my phone. Okay, so I don't like the pin to be straight. I like the L-shaped one, which Philips used to have, but nowadays all the new ones, they've gone with this one. I don't know why. So this will cause the wire to break easily. So this is not a flat cable one. This is a regular round cable one. But one thing I've seen with Philips is the cable does not really go bad. Even if they're round or whatever it is, nothing really happens to the cable. So it's not too thick, it's not too thin, so it's somewhere in between. So good quality cable, rubberized material. Then you have the plastic remote. Okay, so this is okay. I'm not a big fan of the black with the silver on it, but this is the style that they've gone for, because even the earphone has the black and silver combination, so it's fine. Now over here the wires are smaller. Okay, to open it up. Okay, so smaller wire, thinner wires. Now this kind of thinner wire will have a little bit of problem with breaking, with the wires breaking inside, but generally with Philips earphones I have not got too many wire issues. My only issue is the sound quality. The bass is missing. So let's go ahead and look at the rest of it. Okay, completely plastic, so nothing moving here, it's complete plastic. So over here, when this bends too much, the wire will break from here and the sound quality will go bad, as in you'll have left ear not working, right ear not working, that problem. Now to overcome this, most of the earphones have already gone for a rubberized tip which moves with the wire, so that helps in keeping the wire safe. Now this has gone, I'm not a big fan of this. This will go bad very easily. Now the same kind of material has been used here, same kind of plastic, so not a big fan. Does not look premium at all, even though they tried, I guess, to make this metal and plastic combination kind of thing, but this is also plastic, nothing is metal. So okay, I'm not a big fan. It's all in all okay. The size of this is also too big. It's not that heavy, it's pretty light, not that heavy, but it's okay. It really depends on people to people. Some people may like this design, but okay, so the initial impression is not that great. The wires are fine. I do not like the thin wires coming out from the remote and going to the earphone. I do not like the pin which is in L shape and not copper tipped, so the wires will go bad over here very easily. And my biggest problem is the earphone itself. They do not have bass, so it's the same problem with my now this is the third in-ear or third small sized earphone that I've used from Philips in the recent 2-3 months, and all of them say that they have extra bass and they don't have any bass at all. I'll do the sound test on this first. I'll have to keep it for a week or two, use it for a week or two to get the sound out, to see maybe bass might come out. So that has happened to me with other Philips earphones, the Bass Plus series. The sound came out very late, so I don't know, maybe the sound might come out, and if the sound comes out, then it's a good earphone. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.